At school, I read. At school, I write. At school, I sing. At school, I dance.
I've got a pencil, I've got a rubber, I've got a school bag, I've got a sharpener.